And coming back to the question now, we have to calculate the compound interest on 25,000 for 1.5 years, where the rate is 20% per annum and interest is compounded half yearly. So Vidya, here the principal is 25,000, the rate is 20% per annum and the time period is 1.5 years. So here interest is compounded half yearly, which means that the required rate of interest will be half of R, that is 20/2% or 10% per half year. And the number of times that interest is compounded will be double the number of years, that is 1.5 into 2 or 3/2 into 2 half years equal to 3 half years, or simply the value of n is equal to 3. Let's now use the formula A equal to P 1 plus R by 100 raised to power n. The principal is 25,000, rate of interest is 20% per annum compounded half yearly, and time is 1.5 years. Go ahead, Vidya.
Baba, as interest is compounded half yearly, time will become double and rate will become half. So, amount is equal to 25,000 into 1 plus 20 upon 2 into 100 raised to the power 3/2 into 2. On solving, A is equal to 25,000 into 11/10 into 11/10 into 11/10, and cube of 11 is 1331, or A is equal to 25 into 1331 equal to 33,275. Baba, amount is 33,275, and so compound interest will be 33,275 minus 25,000 equals 8,275. Baba, using formula is really time saving. May I have one more question?
Okay,